Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking the stabilizer rating against your TV weight and VESA pattern so you avoid mismatches. Once you confirm fit, lay the TV face down on a soft blanket and loosely install the stabilizer plate using the supplied screws. This keeps alignment flexible while you position. Make sure to use 2 people for lifting. It prevents twisting forces. Tighten screws incrementally so the plate seats flush. This prevents stress on the mount and ensures smooth adjustments later. You now transfer the TV to the wall bracket or TV stand, aligning the stabilizer with the bracket hooks. Do this slowly so the plate slots in without forcing. First, mount the wall bracket into studs or use rated anchors to hold the dynamic load. Once hung, engage the stabilizer mechanism so it bears the load and reduces wobble. Make fine lateral and tilt adjustments because small shifts change leverage. Then progressively tighten bolts so the system remains balanced and stress-free. You finish by testing stability. Push each corner gently and watch for tilt or rattle because small movements indicate loose hardware or misalignment. If you see wobble, recheck screw torque, verify anchors are rated for dynamic loads, and confirm the stabilizer plate is centered. These fixes resolve most issues. Once secure, tuck cables and recheck level. For one key troubleshooting tip, if noise persists, slightly loosen, and then red-eye tin mounting bolts in sequence to redistribute tension and eliminate binding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.